What's going on, you guys? DZRCKS here, back with another how-to, and in this one I'm going to talk to you guys about the 12-point wave. If you're new here, consider subscribing for putting more content. Don't even consider, just go ahead and subscribe for more content just like this, dropping knowledge, how-tos, Musicality Mondays, plenty of tools to help you guys grow as a dancer and have fun with your boy along the way. With that said, run the intro, let's get right into it. Alright, so I'll start off by giving you guys an example of it, of what it's going to look like, and then I'll break it down for you. Cool, so if you guys watched the last waving video, the last arm wave video, we did a 8-point wave. Okay? We just started here, boom, wrist went down, elbow, shoulder, and with chest, and then back out again, shoulder, elbow, wrist, out. So that's the 8-point wave. Just gets you the understanding of how to separate and isolate your arms in the wave pattern to make it more fluid and more clean and more visible. What we're going to do today is we're going to do that same arm tutorial, but we're going to add our hand tutorial from it, which was the hand wave. Okay, I'm going to show you guys two different ways that I use my hand to start the wave. There's no right or wrong way. Any way is up to you. Alright, cool. So you guys got the example. As you can see, there's only a small difference between the way you start in the hand. Okay, so I'll break it down with just one hand. First thing you're going to do is just take your hand, bring it out. You want to put it out flat. As always, make sure this is straight across. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to push this part of your fingers, that mid part, you're going to push this up, okay? Boom, okay? You're going to bring this little hump right here. That's what it should look like, okay? After your bear claw, you got those first pair of knuckles up, you're coming out. This is, ready? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? So you're making sure that that goes all the way through, okay? One more time. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So you can see there's just 12 joints that you're actually hitting, hit, to make that wave go more fluidly all the way through. Like I said, when we did the first one, we were just coming straight out, boom, boom, boom. Okay? But in this, we're adding the hand to make the wave start a lot smoother and go all the way through, okay? Wasn't a perfect way, but you get what I'm saying. So the second one is just a little bit different. The only thing is that when you're bringing your hand out here, you're going to bring your fingers in, then make a fist, okay? After that, you're going to do the same thing, point your wrist down, okay? Excuse me, point your fingers down. Your wrist is going to be up. Everything else stays the same. Elbow, shoulder, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fist, fingertips, out, okay? Alright, so a good way to remember it, bring your hands out. I'm just going to say each body part, okay? So it's fingertips, fist, wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fist, fingertips, out, okay? Super simple, and it just reminds you of how to keep track of which point in your body you're supposed to be moving at that time. Always remember to keep everything else isolated. Try to keep your arms straight through. Like, a lot of people can do the wave through and they kind of let this other arm just do whatever. Try not to keep that, okay? Think about the ocean, and when waves go through, no matter how big, it always just resets, okay? So you always need your arms to stay set, stay level, and have that the water level line. That's where your arms have to be to make it look like it's really going through, okay? So, going over the two differences just real quick, just over the hands. We're coming out. This is 1, 2, 3, okay? Other way is boom, 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 okay? You can start your waves any one of those ways, completely up to you. You can use whichever one for whatever needs that you have while you're dancing, while you're freestyling, choreographing, doesn't matter. I think it's kind of the only way to start a wave a little differently is just in your hands. It's kind of hard to start it anywhere else because you can't really, you don't really have the phalanges as an option to move around. So yeah, just play with those two. Play with the 12-point wave. Make sure that you're being very fluid with where the movement is actually going through. So it's going to be really smooth. Make sure that you're focused on your points and your joints to make sure that points in your joints, make sure that your wave is nice and smooth. Work on the 12-point wave, and I guarantee you, when you're ready to just smooth it all the way through, it'll be really clean and it'll be really nice and precise. So work on that, and yeah, take it home, and let's get our waves looking dope. All right. So. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. If you got any comments, you got any questions, put it in the comment box. I'll be sure to respond to you guys. Hit the like button. Go ahead and hit the wave up to it and hit it. Appreciate it. Other than that, thank you guys again for watching. I am DZRCKS. I'll see y'all in the next one. Crust out your eyes. Sway, sway, sway in the morning. Alright, so I'll give you guys an example of what it's going to look like. I'll give both hand examples. Hand examples? I mean, is that real? I'll give, yeah. Why are you just staring at it like that?